Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel HardReset.Info. Today I will show you how to optimize battery life in Windows 11. So to optimize your battery life, you should go to the settings application. It is here in the start icon and usually it is in the pinned panel. Click on settings. And here in the center of display, you will see button Power and Battery. Also click on it. And now you can choose between these functions that will optimize your battery life. Here in the first menu, you can choose when your device will be going to the sleep mode or when the screen display of your device will be turned off, for example, after 4 hours of inactivity. Here in the power mode, you can choose between 3 modes of work of your battery. In the first mode, best power efficiency, you should choose it if you want to prolong life of your battery as long as it is possible. Second mode, best performance, you should choose if you don't care about your battery life and you just want to work faster and more efficient. And the third mode, balanced, it is the golden mean between these two extremes. So next menu, battery saver, as it is written here, battery saver extends battery life by limiting some notifications and background activity. So before changing settings of this battery saver, I should warn you that you can miss some important information here in the notification center, so be careful with this mode. And I have warned you, and here you can choose when this mode is turned on. And in the last menu, battery usage, you can see statistics of your battery levels, and down below you can see applications that use the most energy. We have finished with the settings application, but there are also two ways in Windows 11 with which you can optimize battery life. You can go here to the panel of fast actions and lower the brightness of your display, and then brightening of your display will take less energy. And the third way to increase battery life is going to search for the task manager, enter, going to the button startup, and here you can disable some applications that are running with operating systems Windows 11. So for example, if Skype run with Windows 11 and you don't use Skype at the beginning of your work, you can disable it. Right click and disable, and now Skype will not be run with Windows 11 and it won't be using energy. So that's all. If this video was helpful, please leave a comment down below, hit the like and subscribe buttons, and the most important thing, have a great day.